Let's explain can. Can't with simple verbs. Hey guys, today we're gonna learn can and can't with simple verbs. Can and can't are modal verbs. They help us to talk about our ability or our inability to do something. When we use can, it means that we're able to do something. For example, I can swim, you can run, he can jump. I can eat an entire pizza by myself. That's kind of crazy, right? And when we use can't, it means that we're not able to do something. For example, I can't walk, you can't fly, he can't read. I can't believe you ate the whole pizza by yourself. That's impossible. What can you do? What can't you do? Can and can't, can and can't. Let's have fun with this. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, they can, I can't, you can't, he can't, she can't, we can't, they can't. Can you speak English? Can you dive? Can you do karate? Can you speak English? Can you dive? Yes, I can. I can't speak French, but I can learn it. What can you do? What can't you do? Can and can't. Can and can't. It's so much fun. Let's play this game.